gone ahead and laid out the mud flaps for this guy. Should look real nice once I get them on there. Of course, again, I have terrible lighting in here for filming, but they should look pretty good here once we get them up and on. And of course, after I had that accident and I had to get this whole rear end replaced, they did not put the clips back down in the bottom here. So I guess I'll have to go to Kia and maybe get a couple of those bumper clips so I can get those on properly. But yeah, we've got all 4 of them laid out here. They're quality little pieces. I ordered them off Wish. They're cheap, decently flexible. I gotta hold my camera, so it's hard to kind of flex on them, but they're not like brittle plastic. They've got some flex and bend to them, some wiggle to them, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumpers dried off where I'm gonna be doing this. We just had a bunch of hail and rain. It was a little crazy out here for a minute. So yeah, go ahead and get these bad boys put on so I can quit spraying junk up onto the bottom of these bumpers and up onto all right here. As you can see, there's just all this splatter that comes up, and I'm hoping that the mud flaps will just help eliminate that. So looks like these guys are just a couple of Phillips screws. It's just this guy and this guy right here, and there's one more right here. And so I just gotta undo those. This will slide up in between the fender liner and the body and bolt it back on. Cardboard. Well, after much overthinking, I now have mud flaps. Looks nice. Line right up. Looks great. Now we'll go do the rears and then carry on. It's going a lot easier than I thought. I way overthought it at first. Way overthought it at first, but yeah, they sit on there real nice and solid too. They look pretty nice. They nearly match this. They're not textured, but like these are, but that's okay. Should help keep all of this right here, all that grimy ass dirt that flings up here like this. This should all go away. And I think they look kind of nice. This guy's a little funky because I fucked this up, but worse things have happened. They were cheap and they fit on. Gives it a pretty good little look, I think. Yeah, should help clear up all the junk getting kicked up onto the sides there. It'll help for 15 bucks. Shit. I ain't complaining. Yeah, I think for 15 bucks they turned out pretty bang up. Nice and wide too, they go down pretty far underneath the chassis. Clear down there.
You're done on this side?
Yep, I'm done on both sides, in fact.